just look at these beauties. The Jordan 1 Retro High OGSP Union LA Chicago Shadow takes inspiration from two iconic colorways, the Chicago and the Shadow, but blends them together in a way we've never seen before. Up top, you've got that signature red and white from the Chicago ones, giving it that OG heritage look. But as you move down, it transitions into that smooth gray and black from the Shadow ones. It's like the best of both worlds in one shoe. Now let's talk about materials. The leather on these is premium, we're talking buttery smooth, just like you'd expect from a high-quality Jordan 1. And check out the exposed stitching detail around the ankle collar, it gives it that DIY, vintage-inspired look that Union is known for. The aged midsole also adds to that retro aesthetic, making these look like a pair straight from the 80s. One of my favorite details. The tongue. Just like the previous Union Jordans, it's got that exposed foam, giving it that deconstructed feel. The laces are also mismatched, one set comes in a vintage yellowish tint, while the other is more standard, so you can switch up the vibe however you like. And of course, you can't miss the Union LA tag stitched on the side, it's subtle but instantly recognizable. Overall, the Jordan 1 Retro High OGSP Union LA Chicago Shadow is a must-have for any serious sneaker collector. If you're looking for premium quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices, this site is a must-visit. What makes RSNOW stand out? They've built a solid reputation for delivering top-notch replica sneakers that look and feel just like the originals. Plus, their extensive collection includes brands like Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, and Asics. Whether you're after the latest releases or timeless classics, they've got you covered. Now, I know some of you might wonder, is this legit? Well, RSNOW is verified on Trustpilot, one of the most reliable platforms for customer reviews. Thousands of satisfied customers have shared their positive experiences, praising the quality, affordability, and fast shipping. Be sure to check it out for yourself and see the glowing reviews. Here's where it gets even better. By using our exclusive discount code RSNOW at checkout, you'll get 15% off your purchase. For example, these sneakers originally cost $139, but after applying the discount, the price drops to just $118.15. That's right, premium sneakers at a fraction of the price. Make sure to use the code and save big. One thing I absolutely love about RSNOW is their amazing support team. They're always ready to help with any questions or concerns you may have, whether it's about sizing, shipping, or anything else. Their customer service is top-notch, ensuring a smooth shopping experience from start to finish. So, why should you choose RSNOW? It's simple, unbeatable quality, affordable prices, excellent customer service, and a seamless shopping experience. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just looking for stylish kicks, this site has everything you need. Final thoughts. RSNOW is the ultimate destination for high-quality replica sneakers. Don't forget to use our discount code RSNOW to save 15% on your next purchase. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you've shopped with them before, let me know your experience in the comments below. Check out the links in the description to shop at RSNOW and use code RSNOW for 15% off. Also, follow me on social media for more updates and behind-the-scenes content. See you in the next video.